Hey, welcome to my channel where I talk about cameras. I wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk a little bit about myself and why I started this channel. So for the last couple of years, I've been making a lot of YouTube videos. I've started up dozens of channels over the last 10 years or so, and I just enjoy making YouTube videos about different topics, but I've never actually had a channel specifically about cameras. And the reason I wanted to start this channel is because I wanted to have a platform where I could talk about cameras, my thoughts on overrated things, things that I want from next gen cameras and stuff like that. And also a place where I can just compare image quality. You know, is there good image quality coming out of the GoPro Hero 10? Or, you know, where do you draw the line? I suppose you could say that when you are into cameras, you're always looking for the perfect camera gear, you know? So I do have a full frame camera that I'm shooting most of my videos with, but it's kind of bulky. And even if it has amazing image quality, it's not something I can put in my pocket like I can with something like a GoPro. And there are smaller cameras, there are pocket cameras like the Sony ZV-1. And so I just wanted to have a place where I can talk about cameras, compare them, you know, go head to head. I'm not ever gonna find the perfect camera. There's no such thing. I'm gonna make videos about this topic, but I mean, every camera has its weak spots and its upsides. Every camera can be used for different types of videos or photos. For example, I do like my iPhone. I like the image quality coming from out of the iPhone, but if I have to be completely honest, it's not up to the standard that I want. And so that's why I started this channel, to find the perfect camera. I'm never gonna find it, but it's gonna be a lot of fun trying to do it anyway. So hope you enjoy. Take care.